Hello everybody and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about Asana subaccount from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate different actions directly from your workflow app for your Asana account. How do we set it up? Inside your subaccount, you come here at the app marketplace and you search for the app Asana. We have Asana subaccount. We go install, allow install. There is an API key required, so how do we get it? We just have to switch to our Asana account. Inside Asana, we come here, settings, we go on apps, we scroll down, we come here, view developer console, we open a new window, we have my token, we go on create new token, we type a name, my token, we create. Bingo, we have the token. So we copy and we switch back to the sub account, we paste, continue, confirm, complete installation, and we have on install. This means that the tool is already connected to our Asana account. So now you guys are able to test some actions directly from your workflow app for your Asana account. Guys, this is very amazing. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach out our support team who is available 24/7. Thank you for watching, guys.